So how do you get operational data that is kept in Excel into Salesforce? In a world when you're trying to get more than just sales-related information into Salesforce, here's an example of how our Blueport platform can enable you to plug into any data source, even Excel, and allow you to get data out of that traditional data silo and then into Salesforce.com. Firstly, on the left we have our Blueport platform. In the middle, our Excel workbook, and on the right, our Salesforce web browser. What I'm going to show you here is that we have linked Excel to the Blueport platform, and then we've linked the platform to Salesforce.com. Let me just refresh my web browser to prove to you that there is no data in the Salesforce object. Then I'm going to populate the spreadsheet in the middle with data that is not just sales-related data. Therefore, if I can draw your attention to the Excel workbook, as I paste in my table of data, you can see how the data is updated real-time in Blueport. It does this via the links to the platform. Then, if I draw your attention to the Salesforce window on the right, as I refresh, you can see the data update. In addition to uploading data, I am also able to edit a record. For example, if I want to amend one of my fields from A to amber to G for green, as you can see, the changes that I make to that record are again reflected in the Blueport platform real time, and then as I refresh the Salesforce window, the results are updated. I can just show you an example of that one more time.